Did you know the moon has a special bedtime game just for you? One quiet night, Luna the moon spotted little Sam by his window and whispered, "Let's see who can yawn the biggest yawn." Sam yawned wide, and Luna yawned even wider. Suddenly, twinkling stars appeared, and forest animals began nodding sleepily. With each shared yawn, more stars danced across the sky. Sam realized Luna wasn't just playing, she was gently tucking the whole world into bed, making bedtime feel magical and warm.